Welcome back to the China Law 101 video series. I'm your host, Edgar Choi from Law in a Minute. In today's video, we will talk about the difference between court and arbitration. When it comes to resolving disputes, you have two main paths: arbitration and litigation. Think of initiating arbitration like starting a secret club. Everyone involved needs to agree on the secret handshake first, which in this case is the arbitration agreement. This agreement could be set before any trouble starts, just in case. But remember, you can't just decide to arbitrate on a whim. Mutual consent is crucial, and you also need to pick an arbitration venue, like choosing a vacation destination. Litigation, in contrast, is more akin to gate crashing a party. If you feel somebody has legally wronged you, simply march into court and file a lawsuit. No prior agreements or permissions needed. Just a sense of grievance and a direction to march. Arbitration is more selective in its menu, handling only civil, commercial, and economic disputes. It steers way clear of the messy family dramas like divorce or inheritance squabbles. Meanwhile, courts are like the all-you-can-eat buffets of the legal world, open to a wide array of cases from criminal to administrative and everything in between. Choosing where to arbitrate is akin to picking a battlefield without geographical loyalty. You can choose any venue nationwide based on its prestige. Courts, however, are more structured. They follow a strict hierarchical and territorial jurisdiction, so you fight where the law dictates. In arbitration, you get to pick your champions. If the dispute uses 3 arbitrators, each party selects one, and together they choose a third. It's akin to assembling your dream sports team. In courts, however, the selection of the judge is out of your hands. You have to play with the cards that you're dealt with. Arbitration often happens behind closed doors, like a secret society meeting, unless everybody agrees to open it up. Court trials, on the other hand, are usually public spectacles unless sensitive matters like state secrets or personal privacy are involved. Once arbitration concludes, the decision is final. Think of it as a sudden death row in sports. It's quick and conclusive, although labor disputes are an exception, allowing a rematch in courts if you're unsatisfied. Litigation, however, offers a more extended game with a possibility of an appeal, allowing for an evaluation and a second chance at victory. So, in this legal showdown, each approach, arbitration and litigation, offers its unique flavor. Arbitration is the express chain of dispute resolution. Fast, private, and customizable. You can choose your champions, set the location, and even pick the applicable laws and language. It's like building your burger, adding only the ingredients you love. Litigation, conversely, is the local train. It stops at every legal station and sometimes runs behind schedule. It doesn't offer the same level of customization. Judges and procedural rules are set, and parties must adapt to these pre-established frameworks. Moreover, arbitration brings in specialists, the gourmet chefs of the legal world, who are experts in the relevant fields. This can make the resolution more effective, especially for complex disputes that require more specialized knowledge. Litigation relies on experts who are proficient in law but not always grab the technical nuances of every case. Arbitration also boasts an international flair, often involving global rules and suitable for cross-border disputes. Litigation, meanwhile, sticks closer to national roots, governed by domestic law. In summary, whether you opt for the more streamlined, custom-fit vibe of arbitration or the comprehensive, sometimes slowly moving drama of litigation, Both paths offer the unique adventures of the legal landscape. Choose based on the kind of legal journey you're prepared for by consulting with your lawyer. Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will talk about whether you're liable for injuries in a free ride offered.